Welcome to Art with Ashley B. That's me! Today I am going to teach you how to draw an alien character. Here's a picture of what it will look like when we're finished. Alright, go ahead and get all of your drawing materials and let's get started. Okay, illustrators, here we go with our alien character. I'm so excited for this character. We want to begin with a curved line. This will be the top of our alien's head. And we're going to make two lines that come down on either side. This alien's head is definitely like a rectangle shape. And then we'll finish off with a fourth line there. All right, we want a really, really skinny triangle on top with a little circle. And I envision this being like a blinking light, so we're going to add a few little lines here. Now for our alien's face, we're going to make two large ovals for the eyes. One. And two. With two circles inside for pupils. This is going to be a happy alien, so a little smile and two little eyebrows. Okay, we're going to work on the body, which we'll only see a little bit of. So we're going to make two diagonal lines. And two more little ones in there, just to make it look like we're seeing the tops of the arms. So now we're going to build the spaceship around our alien character. We're going to do that by drawing a really big curved line that comes across right here where we left off with our character. And then we're going to create a dome on top of that with a really big curved line. Out onto the ship here with two diagonal lines at either corner of our dome. And we'll add another curved line just like this that connects those two. We'll see a little bit of the underside of the ship here. Another curved line. Gonna put some landing gear. And we'll add just a few details. We want this to look like a glass dome, so we'll add two triangle shapes here that makes it look like there's light being reflected off the glass here. And then we'll add a series of ovals to the outer edge of our spaceship here. Now I want it to seem like this spaceship is mid-flight, so we'll add just a few action lines here just to indicate that this alien is moving in the spaceship. All right, illustrators, there we have our alien in a spaceship. Now we get to add some color. So go ahead and get markers, colored pencils, crayons, anything that you'd like. This is what I chose to do. Illustrators, there we have our alien in a spaceship. The last step we have to do is sign them, because every artist should always sign their work. Fantastic job today, illustrators. I know that all of your alien characters are out of this world. I hope you all enjoyed yourselves, and I will see you next time back here on Art with Ashley B. Bye!